video we got a what? Another unboxing. So I apologize in advance, Sneakerheads, because I do not know what this is. My boxes have been piling up, so got about 5 boxes right now, so I'm not sure what this is. So we're both gonna open this together. It's gonna be a surprise for both of us. Bam! You see the box. It does look like a Jordan 4, but stay tuned to find out. This is a GS pair size, pretty clean. Let's go with that standard tissue paper. Bam! We got the shoe. We got the shoe. These are the Jordan 4 military blues. Of course, we all seen these before, so we won't be going too much in detail over these, but it does feature that nice colorway. I was gonna do a video about this anyway, so I might as well talk about these since I do pull these shoes out. So, as you know, that the Jordan 4 SBs did come out, and I was thinking like, man, this shoe does look a lot like that shoe. So this could be an alternate shoe in case you missed out on the Jordan 4 SBs, navies. I understand that this is a little bit different blue. However, it does feature that Nike Air branding that we all love. And I'm looking over this pair, GS size. Kind of see some flaws on this shoe right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like some loose things right here on the gray part. Looks like they kind of like use a different material on these than the men's sizing. I'll have to go pull mine out to really determine that. But overall, the GS leather on here is a lot smoother than I thought it was. More suede on the adult pair. And let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. I'm going to have to go pull these out, my adult sizes, so I can try to compare these to the GS size. I do stand corrected, sneakerheads. This is my adult pair right here, and the leather is smoother than what I expected, I guess. So that is one of the biggest difference on the SB4s compared to these military blues, is the military 4s do have a smoother leather. As you can see, adult size right here and the gray skull on this side, but they're pretty much identically. However, it doesn't look like this quality on the grade school. At least the pair that I have, there's a lot of glue stains on here, and it looks, as you can see right there, the glue stain. But other than that, I didn't really see too much with this shoe. We know that the GS pairs, they don't always do a thorough job. See, you can kind of creasing right there at the bottom. This is the authentic pair. I did not get these from the sneakers app. I did hit on one of the kids' Foot Lockers with these. You can see the quality is not that good on these compared to my adult sizing right here. I guess you can still see that little, I don't know, fitting is not perfect, but this is another authentic pair as well. You can see right here they didn't do a good job sewing the bottom of the sole to the midsole. Looks like it's missing a little piece of leather right there. I'm happy with my shoes, you know. I haven't yet to rock these on feet, but hopefully this summer, get ready to bust these out. But again, like, if you're looking for an alternative shoe from the Jordan 4 Navies, SBs, then this might be it. These are fairly still low. Prices hovering around $235 to $250 still on these, even though they came out last year. So if you still want these or want to alternate to the Jordan 4 SBs, Navies, this might be a good hit. And who knows, like, if someone out there, would they customize these, meaning that would they paint the hits on here navy? Overall, you can't go wrong with a Jordan 4. It is a classic silhouette. And as far as I'm concerned, it's still the #1 shoe as far as the retro lineup and the Jordans. But let me know your thoughts and opinions about these, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? Hey, and if you continue to love content like this, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. So when I do more unboxings like this.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
Peace.